My name is Charlie, and my partners are Maci and Avery. As the climate changes, so do we. We lose all our environments but three: the desert, Arctic, and the ocean. We get to pick one of these environments to live in to survive the massive climate change. After thinking, I chose the desert and had to think of mutations. What if I can have cold blood instead of warm blood? Well, that's when the mutations come in. A mutation causes something to change in the body, causing it to be different, such as hair color, eye color, and skin tone. There can also be internal mutations like cold-blooded or warm-blooded. Now time to create the perfect mutation to live in this environment to live in. We can take animals' DNA from their body to areas to make us have things they have that we don't. First in our lab is a bearded dragon lizard. They managed to live in the desert environment by having cold blood instead of warm blood. This is the perfect mutation to have to live in this environment that needs to come first. The second animal we will now take DNA out of is the Himalayan geese. They can fly super fast, and the most important thing they need is good lungs so they can fly in low oxygen conditions. So we can take out their lungs, and we can take out their lung DNA and put that into our body to get those lungs. The last thing we need is a good way to stay cool in the desert heat. The fennec fox has pointed ears that radiate off the heat back into the air. If we take out their DNA and add it to our body, we can radiate off heat as they can. And I know that there's many more we can add, but these are the main three that I think are the best to live in the desert when the world is ending and we know it. And my partners are Avery and Maci.
You guys have any questions for this group? Okay, good job.